Hi everyone, Veronica here, and I just got back from Trader Joe's. It's September now, and they have a lot of really awesome fall, delicious foods that are great for settling in, getting cozy, doing some baking, making some nice warm pasta dishes, and some other items too. So I just wanted to give you a little tour of what I chose for my vegan Trader Joe's grocery haul for September 2024. So let's dive in. So first, here's the Fearless Flyer for fall 2024. I just love this time of year at Trader Joe's. They always come up with some really delicious fall scented items and flavored items using lots of apples and pumpkins and cinnamon, and this just really gets me in the mood for making a lot of delicious things for my family to keep us nice and warm and cozy throughout the fall season. So I do like to pick up a Fearless Flyer so that I can get inspired with some items. A lot of the times they'll mention if these items are vegan. I did pick up a few items from this Fearless Flyer, like the organic maple butter. I'm really excited. That seems like it's a new item. I've never seen it there. So let's check it out. Okay. First, I'm so excited because my husband just loves these spinach and cashew vegan raviolis. These are super easy to make. It takes just like 3 or 4 minutes to boil them. I like to make them with either like a tomato sauce with olives and basil, or I like to make it like a creamy sauce. So for a creamy sauce, I'll use some of the vegan heavy whipping cream, some sage, maybe a little brown sugar, and just serve it with this vegan spinach and cashew ravioli. They were out of these for a long time, so I did buy a few packages. I do keep them in the freezer because they last a good amount of time in the freezer, and they're perfect for dinners when you really just don't want to have to do a lot of cooking and prep. And since I do follow the Daily Dozen, they do have cashews, which is part of the nuts, and the spinach, which is a leafy green. And then they have a few of these other really fun organic pastas. These are not whole wheat, but they are delicious, and my family does really enjoy them. This one has been a major hit with my family, this fusilli corti bucati pasta. It's like a really springy, noodle, and it's just really delicious. And I love that it's made with organic flour. It's imported from Italy. And I serve this a lot of the times with like a creamy tomato sauce, or like a creamy red bell pepper tomato sauce was the last thing I served with this pasta. And my family keeps asking me to stock up on this one because it's really cheap, and it does have a good amount of protein per serving, and it's just really fun to eat. Okay, another one, I've never seen this at Trader Joe's before, but this looks like it's probably from the same company, and it's called farfalle pasta. So farfalle pasta is like the bow tie pastas. And usually the bow tie pastas are much larger than this, but look how cute and little these farfalle pastas are. So I've never seen this. It says this was a limited availability. So I just saw this for the first time this week at the Trader Joe's. So if you're interested in that product, I would definitely get that before they run out. Maybe I'll try and post a video of using that. I don't know. I haven't decided how I'm going to use it yet. Probably like a creamy pasta. Like it kind of looks like macaroni size noodles. So I'll probably do like a creamy pasta with that one. And then, like I said, for like all my creamy pastas, I do like using this vegan heavy whipping cream alternative that Trader Joe's has been carrying for a while. It is actually a really good cream substitute. Sometimes I'll do like a cashew cream, but sometimes that's a little gritty, or it's not always gritty, but it just has like a really heavy nut consistency. And this whipping cream actually is like a pretty light consistency. Now, the ingredients are definitely not the best ingredients, but I only use a little bit, and it does add a nice creaminess to sauces. So I've found this is great for sauces, and I have whipped it up to make it as like a whipping cream, and it does whip up really, really well. So for a vegan alternative to heavy cream, this is actually a winner for me. I have bought it several times. Okay, one other item I have been buying a lot is this organic creamy cashew yogurt. I've been using this a lot in baking, so I'm trying to not put oil in a lot of my baked goods, but I still need to add fat. So I have been using this creamy cashew yogurt, and it's plain, so it's really versatile, and it's actually been making my baked goods really nice and moist. I like to bake with whole wheat flour, so getting that moistness is really necessary. And this is really, really great for adding into waffles and muffins. And then it's also just good as like a snack with some fruit on top. And it's just, sometimes I'll add it on top of like cooked lentils as like a Indian yogurt sauce as well. Okay, some other items. My family's been really into pistachios right now. I did grab a bag of the dry roasted and salted, and then I got a bag of the unroasted and unsalted. Pistachios are packed with a lot of nutrition. As you can see, a serving of pistachios has 6% of your iron, which is definitely a little challenge to get on a vegan diet. So I'm always looking for foods that do have a good source of iron in them, as well as potassium and calcium. So if you're looking for a good up in your iron intake, pistachios definitely have a good amount of plant-based iron in them. Okay, and then one other thing, my husband has been really liking these everything ciabatta rolls. I've been making sandwiches with these for him, and he's really into this. It's not organic, so it's not my preference, but I just wanted to throw that in there because they are seasoned with that fun everything flavor, and they are really good. So if you're looking for a nice ciabatta roll, Trader Joe's does have a good option there. And then one thing I've been including a lot in my diet, especially for the Daily Dozen, are cucumbers. Now, if you check out the nutrition facts for cucumbers, they are packed with so much nutrition. I'm just so blown away at how much nutrition are in cucumbers. I used to kind of dismiss them as not very necessary for a healthy diet, but I've been eating cucumbers every day as salads. You can put these into smoothies. They're great for dipping and snacks. But I definitely recommend having some cucumbers and adding a little bit of those to your diet every day. I do use the Cronometer diet nutrition tracking app, and I'm able to see like all the nutrition facts for these cucumbers. So, and actually they have a lot in the Cronometer app of nutrition facts for a lot of these Trader Joe's products. So I'll share a link in the description for how I track my nutrition using Cronometer. But let's get on with this to some of the sweet and fall flavored items that Trader Joe's has. Now, something I've been looking for is almond paste. This is something that I always have to go to like the regular grocery store or source online. But this is how you make marzipan. You see these little dessert pastries right here? Those use marzipan, which is almond paste. So I'm so excited that Trader Joe's has this right now. I did see that this is a limited time offer, so it's definitely something that you might want to get a couple of if you're interested, because I don't think that they'll carry this long term. Hopefully they do. It has just simple ingredients, but I mean, they're not the best ingredients, but this is great for adding almond flavor and almond paste to baked goods. So for this holiday season, that's definitely an ingredient that I usually have a hard time sourcing. So I'm really excited that Trader Joe's is offering that right now. And then one other thing are these mini maple flavored marshmallows. I did buy these last year. They are vegan, and my family really enjoyed them. These are like little mini marshmallows. They're great for hot chocolate. I put them into muffins. They're even just good little snacks. But I love the maple flavoring of them. It's just like a fun take on a marshmallow. So I'm excited that they brought those back this year. This is another item, these dark chocolate chips. I have been using these for my muffins and some waffles. They're really delicious. The ingredients are pretty simple. They're vegan, and I really like dark chocolate, so this is a great option that they're offering. And then lastly is something that I mentioned that I saw in the Fearless flyer, and I'm really excited to try this. I've never had this before. It's organic maple butter. Now, I think I've had maple butter in the past, but I've never seen Trader Joe's offer this product. And this just looks delicious. It looks great for spreading onto toast, or I have been making sourdough whole wheat English muffins lately, and this is something that I think will be really delicious on those English muffins. So organic maple butter, check it out at Trader Joe's. It says that they start with organic maple syrup, then they patiently churn it until it reaches the perfect spreadable consistency so that you can spread it on toast, or dip it in with apples. So I don't know, eat it by the spoonful. I probably won't do that, but I'll probably use it to smear on some toast or those English muffins. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this vegan Trader Joe's haul for September. I'm super excited about their fall items, and I hope this inspired you to stock your pantry with some fall delicious goodness from Trader Joe's. All right, I hope you subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!